Hi, my name is the Wonder Boy, and today is my debut video. I'll be showing you a website that features all the FIFA Mobile players, and I'll be showing you a full Albanian squad. So here's the website. Once you get into the website, you should see this FR icon. So for some of you, you want to see the latest FIFA Mobile players. If you want to do so, press the players icon and press latest. You will see some animated latest players and some which are not. So for some of you, you want to see the latest players from that specific position. So just press position and press the position that you want. Or you can just press multiple positions. For this one, I'll be using left winger back. So I'll press apply and I can see the latest left winger back positions. There are a huge ton of left winger backs, so I suggest you do not look at all, or if you're just looking for a specific player, you should add more detailed filters. So for some of you, you'll be asking, what is this list for? Well, that's simple. It's for switching over to see FIFA Mobile 19 players and FIFA Mobile 20 players. So I'll just give you a brief detail about this list and a brief number of FIFA Mobile 19 players. So, moving on to the next part of the video is the programs button. Here you can see all the programs in FIFA Mobile. And you can see the players in that event. So I will see the players from the Carnival Spain event. And here you are, animated and non-animated players. So here we have come to the main part of the video, which is a squad builder. I'll be building a full Albanian squad, just like I said earlier in the video. So I'll just press squad builder and I'll press create new. Here I can see this. So if you can't see this, then I'm not sure what just happened. So I'll be putting in the filters. Goalkeeper for our position and Albania for our nation. So in goal, we will get 89 rated Strakosha. There's no left back in FIFA Mobile, so I'll be using a center back to take over, which is Vasily. But I'm not sure which version should I use, so I'll be using this version. Next, for center back, I'll use Kumbula and the Gym City. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrongly because I am not an Albanian nor an Albanian fan, so I'm very sorry if I pronounced it wrongly to the Albanian fans and people who are living in Albania. Moving on, for our right back, it will be Napoli's High Saj. So moving on to the center midfielders, I'll be just using one center midfielder and two central defensive midfielders. So for my center midfielder, I'll be using Memushaj. For the two central defensive midfielders, I will be using Shaka and Ebrashi. So moving on to our attack, I'll be using one left winger and two strikers. So for our left winger, you'll get the only Fifarenderz Albanian left winger, which is Rangers Grezda. I don't know who that is, but for some of you, you would know who he is. And so moving on to our striker positions, I'll be using 2 strikers. So for our strikers, I'll be using Balaj and Manage. I'll be using the Barcelona one because I think I like it more. So we almost have completed this, but we're just missing the correct formation, which is 4-3-3 bracket 3. So there we have it, a full Albanian squad. And it is 82 overall rated, 51 chemistry. So, for those of you who want to see a full master squad, I suggest you should just continue watching this video. But for some of you who just want to see this squad, I think you can do your own stuff. Well, don't leave yet, because I'll be just showing you how to upgrade your players in Fifarenderz. It's simple. Just either press this plus button and press upgrade player, or you can just press on the rating or the skill boost, backspace, and type the new rating or skill boost you want. So, for those of you who just want to see your normal squad, you can leave now. But for those of you who want to see the full master squad, let's continue. Now for he has a dynamic picture which looks very nice. I think you should try it on FIFA Mobile or try it on Fifarenderz if you want to see it again, or you can just click from where I trained Abrashi until now. So we'll move on. Yeah, that's sometimes the problem. That's why I recommend you doing the plus, but for some lower rated ones, I think that's the only way. Or you just need a plus for a long time, but I don't think it'll take too long because I tried it before. There we have it, viewers. A full master Albanian squad. 98 overall rated, 174 chemistry. Well, that is a nice squad. So, if you like it, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more squad builders. And please leave in the comments which squad building challenge you want to build next.